your girl Hunchovb VB back with another video. Well, today is Gadget Tuesday. And you know, the weather is getting kind of chilly outside, although today is it's a hot day. But we're in the fall. I guess it's the global warming. Anyway, around this time of year, I like to sip on a nice hot cup of cocoa. So let's sip on some cocoa together. I'm going to make this my hot chocolate with some almond milk, and I'm going to use monk fruit as the sweetener. So come on guys, let's get started. Okay, the gadget I'm featuring today is my BREVILLE Hot Chocolate Maker. Okay, I've had this for years, and it's still putting out some really good hot chocolate. Okay, now I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay, this is my hot chocolate maker, and this is the base. So you put it looks like a coffee pot, put the hot chocolate maker on top. See what it looks like on the inside? And then you have a min and a max. I don't know if you can see it, but lines in there. And you insert your cocoa through this hole. It even froths up the milk. So it spins it around, it stirs it up and froths it up. It does hot chocolate, cappuccino, and a latte. I've only used it for the hot chocolate. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. So let's get started on making our hot chocolate. Okay, it's very easy to do. I'm going to plug up the unit. I want you to see that now that it's plugged up, the hot chocolate setting is already on hot chocolate, but I could switch it out to cappuccino or latte. But it's hot chocolate, so when I'm ready to go, I'll press the button and it will start everything. Okay, I want to show you the hot chocolate that I'll be using. I got this at Costco. I just got this. I didn't even know they had the Starbucks brand of hot cocoa. And it says this is the classic brand. I normally, in the past, I've gotten my hot chocolate from Williams-Sonoma. And it's so expensive, I would wait until it went on sale and then I'd go stock up for the season. But I don't have to do that because I don't remember the price of Costco's hot cocoa, but it's looks like the can is twice as big as what I normally get from the other store, and it didn't cost that much. But it really produces a smooth cup of hot cocoa because I've already tried it. Alright, so I have my almond milk. Now, I'm just using almond milk. You could use coconut milk, rice milk, whole milk, skim milk, whatever you want. I'm going to put my milk in almost to the max line. Okay, we're almost at the max line. Put on my top. And I'm going to press that button that I showed you for the power. Okay, you hear it and see it spinning around? So now it's warming up the milk and it's frothing the milk as well. Okay, meanwhile, okay, the directions on my hot cocoa from Costco, the Starbucks hot cocoa, it calls for 2 tablespoons of hot cocoa, but I'm going to tell you, I normally use 1 heaping tablespoon. That's all I need. You can keep the calories down if you cut it in half. 1 heaping tablespoon. That's all you do. Now all I have to do is just sit back and wait for my hot cocoa. It's not going to take long at all. Get my cup ready. I'm going to use the monk fruit for the sweetener. Okay guys, it's beginning to, I see the heat coming from the pot. I don't know if you all can see it. Okay, it's done. Let's get this into the cup. Okay, I'm going to pour it into the cup. Look at there, guys. Wow. Okay, I'm going to put in, hold on, I need 2 hands. Hold on. Okay, so I have my monk fruit sweetener. You know, if I had put in 2 heaping tablespoons of the hot cocoa, I wouldn't have to put in the sweetener. But I told you, I'm keeping the calories down. I'm not sacrificing on the taste at all. But now, if it doesn't matter to you how many calories you have, by all means, make it your own. Put in the 2 heaping tablespoons. All right, here we go. Look at that, guys. Look at there, look at there, look at there. Here we go, guys. Coffee bien de mon ami. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, you gotta try this. Yeah, I have to close my eyes to just savor the taste, to soak it all in. You know, life can be so rough at times, but when you can just sit back and just think about your blessings, how God has blessed you, that you're here today, you're able to watch Hunchovb VB. Yes. And you can sit back and sip on a nice cup of hot cocoa. To God be the glory. Yes, indeed. Guys, I really appreciate you. It means a lot to me when you come and watch my videos and you subscribe to me. So hey, don't forget to subscribe. Click like, share, and make sure you hit that bell button below this video. This hot cocoa is 2 thumbs up. And look, guys, whatever you're going through, don't focus on the bad stuff. Think about your blessings, and that will help you through. And look, I want you to have a good rest of your day. What? On purpose. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out.